Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. I hope you are all good. As you can see, today we have a new set of white rims for our car. This episode will be a small one. We have a reveal of a new project car. It's a BMW E30. So let's check the rims. They are in pretty good shape. The stock one is not such beautiful. We have placed the right one. It's amazing with the red combination of the car. We will place some center hubs with the logo of the Peugeot. We have also painted the grille with the France flag. As you can see, we have a set of 4 rims with good tires enough. So now we will show you the new project car, the E30 that we have. Also, maybe we will have another third project car. It's a bit old one than those cars. So stay tuned, ring that bell down below, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon with a regular episode. Okay guys, to the story of our Instagram page. A lot of you found the model of the car. It's a BMW E30. It's 1.6 liter. I like the wheels. It will need some TLC. We have a small crack here, but we will manage to paint the whole front end of the car, maybe the whole car. We have a good looking interior. It's in a really good shape, as you can see. The rims are all the same with the center caps. We have disc brakes rear and front. So guys, tell us what you want to see about this car. Leave the comment down below, and see you on the next episode with some new stuff that we will make on this car. Make it look fresh, new and powerful again. I hope you like our projects. We will need also a better exhaust, I think. Okay, it's got a seat right there. We will fix them, but it's a pretty good car in a really good shape. I like the steering wheel, it's good. We will have an episode with the dashboard. We will show you how you can fix a cracked dashboard. So stay tuned and see you on the next episodes.